Hi everyone, I am MD Shamrat Miah. Today I am going to show you how to work auto increment within SQL Server. So SQL is database programming, and sometimes when we try to connect our database to any real life project like any programming language like a C Sharp, so that time sometimes when you create a page or some things, so that's time we have to we like to do something auto increment. For example, that I have a page and there is an option for ID. So it should be uh, when I input uh, one more new information on that page, so that time the page should be increment automatically only for that ID text box. So how can I make auto increment in SQL? So basically for auto increment we have to maintain very simple logic. So here I have already made an table. So the table name is salary employee. So I just make in here a 6 column like as ID, name, month, amount, bonus, and notes. So what I did in here, I my problem is when I will insert every time a new information, new salary information, new employee information, specifically this table, what I uh, make, the table name is salary employee. So in this table, when I try to keep every time a new information, especially this ID will increment automatically. I don't have to put 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will increment it will increment like as uh, um, ascending to descending like as 1. Then when I try to input any information, it will make +1. It means 2. When I try to input one more new information, it will make 1 plus, then it will come out automatically 3. So like this. So I made this query already, so I just explanation in here. So what I did in here, insert into salary employee. For insertion some new information, here is my column names and my 6 column names. And but if you check in here, name, month, amount, bonus, and notes, I have only 1 2 3 4 5 column. And what is missing? The missing is ID. Here is no ID column. So why I did that? I did that because if I mention in here ID, so to I have to give in here the value. But my logic is I will use my uh, automatic increment policy in here. So that's why I don't need to mention my ID column and ID value for every time. So that's why I just skip my ID column's name. So if I show you what I did actually when I make my table. So this is my create table information. So create table salary employee. I mention here ID. I mention in here ID. Its data type is integer, and I use in here a keyword name is identity. And where is 1 comma 1? So this 1 means the first information will add it 0 plus 1, that's mean 1. And when I try to keep information second time, third time, or fourth time, every time it will make +1 +1 +1. So after first time, the the second one always execute with plus. So the first time only it will work like as 0 plus 1 1, and from the second time it will make auto increment like as +1 +1 +1, and this +1 will happen with my prior ID information. For example, For example, that in here, if I show you, this my ID information for second records. This is 2. So what it means that it will works like this: 2 comma 1. It means that 2 plus 1, like this. So 1 comma 1 means for the first record it will make auto increment with 1 plus 0. That means 1. That was for my first record, and for my second information it will work like this: 1 plus 1, 2. And for my third record it will make plus 1 with my most recent last ID values. So that is 2 plus 1, 3. It will be 2 plus 1, 3. So I'm showing you. Okay, if I delete this semicolon, and if I try to here put Shobhan, my employee names, and month name. This is amount, it means salary, wages. This is bonus 0. Derivative is for them. Amount and bonus is money, and notes complete. Okay. In here, I have to declare. Just a second, please. Yep, semicolon. I have to put in semicolon January. Okay. Okay. Now, as a normally, if I put in here now 3, it should be 3 now because I have here 1 and 2. If I try to put ID, so what will happen now? 1, 2. Okay. Just a second, please. Okay. I missed here a quotation. Okay. So if I try to put in here like this, so there will be an error message where it is saying there are fewer columns in the insert statement than value is specified values clause. The number of, okay, so I should put in here ID, then we can explain properly. Okay. So now if I execute, there is already an object name. Oh, sorry, I should comment this query. Sorry for bothering. Yes, here's our real problem. Cannot insert explicit value for identity column in the table salary employee when identity insert is set to off. It means that it's supposed to be auto increment. I can't because I define identity in here with declaration automatic increment. So that's why I have to remove this ID column and vanish this value. And if I try to execute, I don't have any ID and values in here, but it will automatically. If I check in here, what's happening here? Okay. Here should be 3 now. Here is our 3 and it's working with automatically. So in this way, we can make automatically increment in your SQL backend work. Thank you very much, and I hope you understand from my video, and I will hope that you will enjoy my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.